Good day, M6214. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Michelle Rafalis Desa, 47 years old. I have one boy, 13 years old, and Roman Catholic.
Okay. Your religion, your civil status,
Single mom,
your highest educational attainment.
associate in computer science, secondary
Okay.
college.
Tell me about your experience as a helper.
I have experience in Kuwait and Azerbaijan. In Azerbaijan, I taking care of four family. One baby is 1 year old and two adult. The mother is 32 years old.
Okay, and on Kuwait.
In Kuwait, I have experience in Kuwait for five family, two adult and three kids. One is newborn, 3 years old and 4 years old. I do household chores like cleaning, ironing, washing, marketing.
And also you are the one who cook,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, and you're also car washing. How many car do you car wash?
One car, I
Every
wash once a week.
once a week, every
Yes,
once a
sir.
week. Okay. Since I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I'll check the high temperature, if the stomach is hungry, and I also check the diaper if there is a with diaper or there is a
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will cry to her mother and I will tell to her mother that the baby's not stop crying
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because for my family needs and for my son's schooling.
For your the schooling of your
Yes.
son.
Yes, sir.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to finish my contract, or if my employer want me more to stay, I'm willing to stay.
So it is okay to extend it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but
Okay.
I'm willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I will check in YouTube or the reading books.
Okay. And also, if you have a time or your employer have a time to prepare food, you could also help them. How do they prepare so that you could learn, or ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with the helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir.
I saw that you have a long hair. It is okay to you to cut into short.
Yes, sir.
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir.
Taking care of elderly,
Yes, sir.
pets.
Yes, sir.
If your employer or one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Sir and Madam, please hire me. I'm honest, friendly, hardworking, flexible my time. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Michelle.